Hi guys, my name's Tricelle. I'm an adult doll collector. I love all things 1/6 scale. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm going to do some fun things. I'm just doing a short video, but before we get into that, let's talk about this cute little stackable stand that I got from Target. It was $3 and it also has storage, but I'm going to make this into like a chest of drawers or like a stand for my diorama. So here's the stand. I just added a few little knickknacks so it can look really cute, and I really like it. $3, not too bad for a little diorama. So here are the Barbie Dream Besties. I only have Malibu and Teresa. I couldn't get Brooklyn. Brooklyn sold out. That was the doll I truly wanted the most. But I'm going to go ahead and get all the rest of the dolls. There's only 2 remaining that I know of. I haven't seen the show. It's a YouTube Kids show and I haven't seen it. But I'm going to get the rest of the dolls and complete my collection because I love the line so much. I didn't think I would, but I do love it. So let's get these out of the packaging so we can take a closer look. So here is the back of the box. It has the cute little artwork of all 4 of the dolls that I am going to collect. And then this is Barbie Malibu's box. And it says here, "Hi, I'm Barbie. I love experimenting with makeup and helping my friends look and feel their best. Dream, being the boss of my own makeup company. Favorite activities are makeup, crafting, and camping. Favorite class is chemistry. Favorite color is pink. Favorite thing, my clutch, it holds everything." Love that. I love the box art too. This is super cute. Like, I love this so freaking much. Like, yes. And then here is Teresa's box here. Same artwork, but it has here, it says, "Hi, I'm Teresa. I love designing video games and leveling up on my coding skills. Dream, start my own video game company. Favorite activities, gaming, reading, and gymnastics. Favorite class is calculus. Favorite color is coral. Favorite thing, my headphones." And those headphones are super cute. Love her. Malibu comes with this cute little Barbie hair dryer. It's pink and it's super cute. And then this looks like a compact, but it doesn't open. And then she has this lipstick that does open, and it has the pink color, and it's super pretty. And it has a little bracket right here so the doll can hold it, which is adorable. And then she comes with this old school phone, and it's like rubbery. And then she has this compact right here along with this clutch bag, which is her favorite thing, she says, along with this cute little modern cell phone. So she can fit her. That really doesn't fit. It came apart, but she can fit her her cell phone in her clutch bag. I love the clutch. This is super cute. So she does come with these white sunglasses, and she has pink hair that is crimped. It has a lot of product in it, and the rest of her blonde hair is crimped and needs help out of the packaging. I love her blouse and her yellow gloves. She has a printed mirror, and I love her little cute little shorts as well, and her silver metallic necklace. She has hot pink bow shoes that are made of fabric. I mean, it feels like fabric. They're not plastic. Here she is in the back, and I'm showing the rest of her blonde crimped hair that needs some help. And I forgot to mention her shirt and her shorts do Velcro in the back. Here is how the outfit looks without the gloves, and it's still super cute. Let's talk about articulation. This doll has nice rotation at the head or the neck, movement at the shoulder, the elbow. She also has nice rotation at the wrist and the knee, and her foot is on an incline. And this doll is just under 11 and a half inches tall. And obviously, I think all the clothes would be compatible with a regular or a classic make to move body. I just love these shoes, and the toes are defined. Now that my camera is trying to focus, but the toes are really defined, and I do like that aspect of all of these dolls. Now I do like the little two pink highlights in her hair. She has blue eyes along with the pink mauve lip that has a little light shine to it. She's absolutely beautiful. I'm just in love with these dolls. Now her gloves they look like tulle and has these beautiful ruffle roses on the top. I love the gloves. They're super cute. Now Teresa comes with this backpack that says Game On. And then she also has these cute little sunglasses. I think they're supposed to be like sculpted fur sunglasses. If you watch the show, you probably know better than what I would. Clearly that's probably what it is, since she has this stuffed animal, teddy bear stuffed animal. So I think that's her thing. And then, oh yeah, she's a teddy bear thing. And then she has this cover for her cell phone here. Oh, and it fits. And it says Game Over on her cell phone cover with a cute little teddy bear on it. Like, I love her little cell phone cover. This is so cute. And then she also comes with this keyboard, which is her theme. So that's super cute. And this is not an old school phone. It's actually a case for the phone. I just noticed that when I did Teresa's, and I'm trying to put Malibu's phone inside of the cover, and it doesn't fit. It's like just a little too small. It doesn't fit as well as Teresa's did. So here Teresa is out of the packaging. Her hair needs a lot of help, but I love the colors. It's like brown with the auburn. And she does have some a teddy bear headset on, and her green beautiful eyes. Again, I'm showing you the back of the hair because it does need a lot of help. Yeah, I love her little outfit as well. Like, I love that her theme is red. She has these red patent leather shorts with a ruffle along with the patent leather like bra top, and underneath there's like a tulle with polka dot shirt or netted shirt or whatnot. And I just absolutely love the red barrettes in her beautiful hair. And she has sculpted teddy bear shoes that are adorable. I love her little shoes. It has stars up under her eyes along with dimples. She has beautiful red lips. I love the orange like eyeshadow on her eyes, and she has a toothy grin. She also has a gold necklace that's plastic. I wish her necklace was like Malibu and metallic, but it's still cute. Here is a closer look at the teddy bear headset, which is adorable. So I did wet the doll's hair just to try to get it from looking matted, but I don't think it really helped that much. At any rate, I'm really pleased with these dolls. Let me know in the comments down below if you intend on purchasing this particular line of Barbies. I'm in love with this line. Like, I'm not going to even lie. Like, I think they're adorable. And if you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And then don't forget to ring the notification bell. And follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.